Arthur, people keep asking me why I use high-velocity ammo in Red Dead Redemption 2. And I keep telling them, they just don't have the vision. Now look here, regular ammo, simple, predictable. Pick him up, no exit wound. The bullet stops, just like a man with no ambition. Now, express ammo. More damage on paper, more promises. Check his back. Nothing. All talk, no follow-through. But this is high velocity. You see that hole? That bullet didn't hesitate. It had a plan. Still doubting me, Arthur? You gotta have faith. Line the body up next to an animal carcass. One shot. Boom! Both take damage. That bullet went through, just like we're gonna go through Tahiti. Now sure, express ammo claims it hits harder, but high velocity, it penetrates, it commits, it understands the bigger picture. So tell me, are you an express ammo kind of man, or do you believe in high velocity? Have a little goddamn faith and let me know in the comments. Like, follow, or subscribe for more RDR2 tips.